Get her rear, she'll trot. There we go. Oh, I'm getting her going. That's good.
Your turn.
Too fast. You are too fast.
Let's try the alligator. Do the alligator. Here. Look.
See, I'm not going on the sun. I got a few steps forward.
I think so too.
We'll see what we got.
I think she'll run back this direction more.
I do too.
Yeah.
Run being the key word. The problem is she runs. Can't you trot? Can't you trot?
Can you try it one more time? Maybe
One more time.
She'll slow
Don't
down.
take her quite so far.
Okay. What, half the distance?
Yeah.
Like here?
Yeah. There we go. She's coming out into the sun. Oh, there.
Okay.
Except if we got it.
Yeah.
I don't know if I got it. I was
You
too
don't know if
close.
you got it?
I was too close. Oh. I'm going to go up to this. Okay. Where is she? There she is. I want her to trot.
Now I want to gallop.
She wants to gallop.
Pop. Let's go back one more time. Okay, come on, puppy. Look at toys. Here, look. All right, let's go back.
Choom. She's pretty good, other than I'm so far away.
Yeah, that's get it close up enough. There we go.
Couple steps.
Look at that.
That was pretty.
Nice. And a squat. Good job.
Okay, now that you peed, can you trot toward me?
Exactly.
Come here. Don't run, trot.
I did that already.
I know.
Okay, you.
I gotta run.
Let's come back here and then we'll walk back, okay?
Let me get on the other side. Stop a minute, Karen. Let me get down here. Devil! I'd show off.
Yep. Oh, look at that.
Try
There we
that
go.
too.
That was kind of galumphing.
Yeah, that was kind of a... I'm getting tired because Kitty was on the phone. We can film that too.